Hello everyone, we are very happy to announce the launch of our Structured Counselling Certification being offered completely free to psychologists who are registered on the Wisdom HP portal. In order to access this course or enroll for this course, visit the course page, click on the enroll link. If you have not yet registered or logged in to the website, you will notice that there is a message that asks you to register as a mental health practitioner. Now, if you're already registered and you have not logged in, click here to log in into your practitioner's account. In case you have not yet registered on the portal, click here to go to the registration page and register as a mental health practitioner over here. You're already on the mental health practitioner registration page. Once you register yourself on this page, you will receive an email which you will need to go to. The email will look something like this, where you will notice a activation link. Simply visit the link and then you will find an activate button. Click activate. Once you have activated this, go ahead. Once you log in, you will be redirected to this page and you will notice that you need to fill up all the required profile fields. So go ahead, fill up all of these fields along with the ones mentioned under the practice details and more info. And then finally go to the education and awards and fill up the education fields. These are required. You will need to upload your master's degree or your mark sheet before the membership will be approved. And you will need to update your profile photo. Once you've done all of this, then when you refresh your profile, you will notice a message like this. Once again, go ahead, click here. You will be taken to the Structured Counselling Certification page. Now go to the enroll now. You will find this form, fill up this form and submit. Your responses are successfully submitted. We will get in touch with you, updating you about your status for joining the course.